In this video, I'm going to show you how you can screen record in ClickUp. So if you want to record your entire screen or one tab, you can simply do this by following these simple instructions. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to the channel where you want to screen record, and for my case, I'm in this channel. Once you're here, head over down here to record video clip. And here we have an option to record either entire screen, or you can choose what you want just to record. If you just want to record the window or current tab, you can click on it. Then head over to microphone. You can see currently no microphone is selected. You can go ahead and choose any microphone if it is available, and then click on record clip. Now this will go ahead and ask you to allow ClickUp to see all the tabs. Go ahead and allow, and then the screen record will begin. Now here you can see it will count 1, 2, 3, and then begin automatically screen recording. So once you are done, you can go ahead and you have an option to pause here, and if you click on that again, it will now stop. And here is the screen record that we have just recorded. Now you can use this link, you can share it, or you can even download it on your computer when you click on this download option. So that's how you can screen record in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.